So, people, yesterday morning, when I was walking my dog, like I do every morning, I get up very early, 4:30, because I'm a teacher and I need to get in to my classroom, get work done. So, anyway, I'm walking my dog around our neighborhood and I heard this like grinding, super loud grinding, um, like machine noise from, it was about the northeast from me. It sounded far away, but it was a gigantic sound. It was just, it was so loud you couldn't avoid it. Um, you had to hear it. So I stop and I'm listening. I'm thinking, wait a minute. I've never heard this, but I have watched other videos and on these strange sounds that are in the sky all over the world, apparently. And these sounds can be a humming, a constant humming, or like a horn, like a trumpet horn. And when some people hear that, they think it's the, book of Revelation and the apocalypse. And also, though, I researched this yesterday after coming back from hearing this outside, and this grinding machine type noise is also heard sometimes. So I'm not the only one who's ever heard this machine sound. There is really no good explanation for it. Uh, it just happens sometimes. Now, did anyone else hear the noise I heard yesterday? That I don't know. You can comment on this and let me know if you heard something like that, or even if you heard something like that in the past, because it was weird. It was very strange. I mean, I'm 61 years old and I have never heard that type of sound coming out of nowhere, and just this eerie, like grind. Obviously, you can laugh. That's not exactly what it looked like. And I didn't have my phone with me to record the sound, but excuse me, but it was an unrecognizable sound. Absolutely. And this was at about 4:30 in the morning, yesterday, August uh, 27th, uh, 2026. Okay. And anyway, if anyone can give me any insight into this, uh, any ideas, nothing's too crazy. Oh, I did find there's a world map of the humming sounds. If you Google that, and it shows locations where the humming sound has been heard, but it didn't appear to me that website was including this grinding, not a banging, but just this like grinding, like metal sliding over concrete or something. I don't know if that website does that, but if you hear the humming, you can go to this worldwide humming uh, sound. Here, it's a map that documents all the different places where the humming sound has been heard. So if you heard a hum, you might want to go there. But if you heard what I heard, please comment and let me know. Also, if you could subscribe, throw me a like, I would really appreciate it. Okay? So I hope to read your comments. And until next time, take care and let me know if you have anything strange happen to you.